Hey, ForexMilitia, Parsival here. Hey, I am basically a little bummed out. The only reason why I'm bummed out is because I tried to improve on the GRaB method and I didn't do so good. But I will let you see that for yourself. So let me show you the setup that I basically put into play for the improved GRaB. Now that's kind of a misnomer. It's not really what it is because the way how I see the GRaB method is that the 34 EMA wave is like a baseline. A baseline meaning that it will tell you when to only go long or when to only go short. It's not really. I don't see it as a system alone. You need a couple more indicators, or not always indicators. Sometimes just reading price action, and that's something that I did not do with this system. So the results came out not so good. Like this right here, you can tell that this is in a consolidation. You got a little that might you might actually take that one right there. All right. Well, now let's see what else. You can see these are pullbacks, and I'm not looking for like bull flags and ascending triangles and things like that. So I can just say you'll have engulfing candles that'll give you some uh, setups to take long or short. Yeah, see, there's an engulfing candle right there. You can hardly see that in there. But what I did was to write out a trade. I would wait till the candle went long, right? With the green candle, it closed above the 34 EMA wave, green, and then I would track it with the MACD, which is a setting of 12, 26, and the signal at 5. And I would track it, and then I would exit when the MACD crossed below the signal. I would exit. And so this would probably be because even if the MACD was below the zero line, I would take the trade. See, so this would enter here, so I would enter on this basically bar once that closes, and then take it to right about there here because the signal basically closed below, and that would be a gain of about 48 pips. All right, so that's what I did with this. That was the setup for this strategy. As you can see right here, this goes red, and I would basically take that because the signal and the MACD match that setup. This is below, and take that there, and this would actually come out to, let's see, that's an exit right there. Oh, that comes out to be about 67 pips. All right, so you get the drift, you get the idea of how I basically took my trades. So let's get to the results. Let's just go straight to the results, and I did 3 years. So here it is. This is Quant Analyzer 4, and it's a loss of $1,396. That sucks. All right, 316 trades, bad profit factor, and winning percentage of 39%, a 30% drawdown. Now, it's once again the 3 years that I normally trade, 2010, 2011, 2012. And there was only 1 year that actually came out positive, which is 2012. The other 2 years were losses, big losses. All right. So that's basically all that I wanted to update you on, something that I tried to do to improve it. I might actually continue to try to improve on this strategy and bring it back to you again, seeing how 2013, 2014, and 2015 actually play out. In a future video, I hardly ask this from you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe if you are happy with some of the content that the thing is, right, happy with the content. I haven't brought you guys a real profitable strategy yet, but that's why I'm going over the strategies that are on the forums, because maybe I can save you a little bit of time. But like, comment, and subscribe if you basically are interested in my content. All right. With that, I will say knowledge is power. Be power hungry, and always power to the people. Parcel signing out.